hearts always rushing, where silence is rare. We often forget the power of love in the air. It's not just a word, it's a feeling so profound. It lifts us up high, takes us off the ground. Every glance, every touch holds a story to tell. With love in our hearts, we can break every shell. From the streets to the mountains, in cities so wide, love builds the bridges where we can abide. Love is the message, it's the light in our souls, connecting all people, making us whole. Reach out to your neighbor, let compassion unfurl. Together we can change this beautiful world. In moments of darkness, when hope feels so far, love is the compass, our guiding North Star. It blooms in the kindness of a stranger's embrace, reminds us we're human. Each day we must face through laughter and tears, in the highs and lows. Love's a wild river that continually flows, a melody playing in the depths of our heart. No matter the distance, we'll never be apart. Love is the message, it's the light in our souls, connecting all people, making us whole. Reach out to your neighbor, let compassion unfurl. Together we can change this beautiful world. Every race and color, every voice and creed, in the garden of humanity, love plants the seed. It's a timeless reminder, it breaks every chain. With love as our language, we can heal the pain. So let's lift each other, embrace our own truth. In love we find strength, in love we find youth. So whisper your love to the stars up above, let it echo in the night, let it rise like a dove. For every heart breaking, there's a chance to mend. In a world full of chaos, let love be our trend. When the music is fading and the lights start to dim, remember this message, let your heart sing its hymn. The power is within us, let our spirits unfurl. With love as our mission, we can change the world. Love is the message, it's the light in our souls, connecting all people, making us whole. Reach out to your neighbor, let compassion unfurl. Together we can change this beautiful. So stand up for love, let it shine like the sun. For in unity and kindness we can all be one. Let this be the anthem, let it resonate wide. The message of love is the ultimate guide.